Let's get into it. Your word of the day is breadth. What are you looking at?
Well, we've seen almost 3 years now where markets have been led primarily by Mag 7, hyperscalers, big tech. And throughout the past few months, we've started to see the market broaden out a little bit. And I really want to see that take place in 2026.
All right.
We've seen financials, industrials, and some AI adjacents starting to get involved in the game a little bit.
All right, so you're looking for the market to broaden out. And by the way, the equal weight is actually outperforming the S&P market cap weighted this month, kind of looking at the trend we were talking about earlier. But your pick is pretty AI adjacent, right? I mean, your pick for us today is Micron. It's in the AI trade. So if you're looking at breadth, why go back to a company that's tied to that?
Yeah, very specifically, it was this week's earnings report, Frank. I mean, it's impossible to ignore it. We put this into our new growth strategy before the earnings print, and it was just out of this world. 57% year-over-year revenue growth, 167%. You heard me right. Year-over-year earnings per share. They up guidance for next quarter to about 18.7 billion, which is really almost 30% above what analyst expectations were. We know it's cyclical. We know chips are cyclical. This massive spend isn't going to last forever. But with AI, I think it's a longer and stronger cycle. So getting into the stock late, I'm not, ignoring that by any means. But there's tremendous momentum in this chart. I can write calls against it. And I don't think that the AI trade's ending over the next quarter or two. Their demand is exceeding supply. And that's what you like to hear when you're making an investment.
All right, you're playing some trends right now. I want to talk to you about transports. You obviously just came off FedEx earnings. You're also a dividend-focused investor, FedEx with a 2% dividend. How do you view FedEx as a company and the transport sector more broadly?
Yeah, it'd be nice to see the transports start to really get involved in this broadening story. And I think they have a little bit. You cover this sector better than anybody. You know FedEx inside and out. We haven't owned this name in over 5 years. We also haven't owned UPS in quite some time. But I think the FedEx story is probably a name that you can look at here. I like the dividend. I like the dividend growth. What they're doing, what management's done with the company, I think is impressive. It's just a question of where, either UPS or FedEx can play within the Amazon space moving forward. But definitely a chart that's starting to look very much improved.
Are you looking at the rise in Japanese bonds? 2%, first time, I believe, since 1999. I talked to a lot of traders. A lot of people believe that could actually move money back to Japan that would have normally gone to the U.S.
I heard that too, Frank. It doesn't really affect my world, but I still think when you look at the yield play, you can get more here in the U.S. It doesn't seem that overly compelling to be moving money into Japan. So I hear it a lot too, but I keep scratching my head on that one.
All right. We also heard from the president, Kristen Welker, doing an interview with the president. He says those tariffs, they're here to stay. Does that change your view about any sectors? Obviously, we're looking at Nike results deeply impacted by those tariffs.
We haven't owned Nike since the pandemic, and it's unfortunate. You root for some of these companies just as a matter of course, and Nike's one that I root for personally. I think the good news is when we look back on 2025, the tariffs didn't have as broad an impact on all the companies that are involved in any way, shape, or form with retail. Yes, there are certain ones that are more penalized than others, but I think tariffs have become less of an issue, fortunately, than we had initially thought, which is evident if you just look at the markets from the April lows and what we've done since then. But I will say that our calculus, every stock that we look at now, we do analyze how we think tariffs can affect them. So there's a column that we analyze now that we hadn't for decades historically.